Hello student, I am Arun Kumar from Beautiful Mind IS, New Delhi. Several students have inquired about practice program and they are asking that what is the concept. So let me explain about our practice program. It is slightly different from the concept of test series. In test series, we believe that you have read the book, you have understood every concept almost, and now you are writing your answers and you want feedback on your answers. So most of the things are prepared. On the other hand, in practice series, we help you to read the text in chapter wise manner, and we give you side by side feedback on your answers. So it is a concept building program, and it is a program in which you have time to read also, and then you write answers. And you can say that test means you have read the text and now you are giving test. In practice series, the order is just reverse. You are first reading the text and then you are giving test at the end. Every day, what is the structure of the test series, practice series? Every day one question is given to answer, just one question. Your task is to read about the concept that is asked in test, that questions. You research about that thing, and at the end of the day you just write the answers and submit your answer. So you are not supposed to write without referring to book. You refer, you read everything, and then you write the answer. So while writing you should not refer, but before that you can read a lot. So in this way you will be able to develop your concepts. And we move in a chapter wise manner. One chapter we usually cover 5 year previous year questions also. So in this way you get enough practice and you come to know that what you should read more. So it is a very diagnostic kind of things, and side by side it give you enough motivations, because you get result almost the same day. When you write the answer, by the end of the day you submit, and then midnight you will get evaluated answer, or just by next morning before the second question is given. So this is the structure. So we generally select 20 to 25 students in that, and fee is taken in monthly wise mode, because we believe that if you do not perform well, then other students should be given opportunity to answer. But if you perform well, then you will be allowed to move to continue with in another month also, next month also, and like that. So in some period of time you will be able to finish entire syllabus. This is the structure. So concept is slightly different. You can say text to test. In test series it is first directly you are taking. We believe that you have read the text and now you are taking the test. So this is the things. There are several advantages. In previous year I have seen that students have appreciated a lot. So if you are preparing for 2021 or 22, I will advise you to join our practice program. But if you think that my preparation is enough, I have knowledge of the concepts and everything, then wait for some time. We will start a test series program for 2021, and in that structure will be same as test series. As usually this thing. Their questions will be given and then you perform, and you will get evaluated answer, necessary suggestions, feedback, everything will be given. So if you ask me what is the comparison very simple. It is here you build up. In practice series, in topic wise manner, only one topic will be covered. In suppose for few days memory will be covered, then other chapter will be covered. So topic wise you will be able to tame your syllabus. This is the things. So I hope you have understood this thing, and if you are willing to join, then just send a message on our official WhatsApp number that is given in the comment box, and we will try to contact you back, and depending upon your interest and aptitude, we will enroll you in the program. Thank you. I hope I made it clear.